Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be opening this new exhaust I just got, 4.5 inch tip with 3.5 piping. And there you have it. This thing's freaking massive, dude. So yeah, I decided to go with the black tip just because the color scheme, I'm trying to get the Eclipse going, but I don't know how dark it's going to be. It looks pretty dark in the picture, so let's see how it actually looks. So it's actually a lot more of a gunmetal gray. It's pretty cool. Just their badging right there. It also comes with a silencer, which I think I'm going to take out, but here she is. It's not the best quality is an eBay parts. I didn't want to go all out with the Megan Racing or any of the other super expensive turbos. I don't know if it's supposed, I mean exhausts, I don't know if that's supposed to be bent or if this is a defect. Well, we'll see. We'll see how she works. But just to kind of show you the color that I was expecting, is a little darker than this, but I kind of don't mind that. It doesn't look too bad. I don't know if you can see this now. Let's see if we can focus. It's almost like a black color, and this is a really dark gray, but I'm gonna make it work. Yeah, so I actually decided to get rid of it. So right now I'm just in the process of taking it out. I can do it with one hand. Just like that, we got a free-flowing system. Alright, it's gonna be looking like a fucking Supra. Actually, hear me out. We can have the sound and the style. Y'all feel me? Look at this. Look at this, sleeper. We got a sleeper. So, sorry about the mess, but here's what we got going on. Getting that piece ready to put back on the car. Just touching up the bumper a little bit. I had a lot of scrapes when I bought it. And here she is. And I was actually just coming out here to install the car, the exhaust. But if you notice, the car is, I kind of saw it was tilted. So I was like, huh, what could that be? Come to this side, mind you, I just bought new tires and I see this. I don't know if you can see that, but that shit's flat. And get some light on it. What the heck? Just bought these, upgraded the brakes as well. But now, before we do anything, we're gonna have to go get this tire patched up or a new one, so I can go ahead and put the ramps up and we can continue the build. But till then, we're stuck. So as you can see, the weather here in Utah, pretty snowy, pretty important. I get some good fucking tires on the Eclipse, as is, it wasn't already not reliable as it is, but we'll see how. Alright, so got the whole exhaust system out, and I even took the cat off just because I felt like these bolts right here would be a lot easier to take out here. But after taking the bolts out, I fucking realized, I don't know if you can see, it's like welded onto the cat. So we're gonna have to pry it off. Let's see what we do. Alright, so just put that screwdriver, hammer, put in the middle. And it was like, I'm sure that this happens with 20-year-old cars, but because of the heat, the gasket melted onto there. You see, it's fucking basically welded itself, the son of a bitch. But got that separated this way, and clean out this because I think I'm gonna gut it real quick, just because I think it's clogged, because my car responded to everything a lot better when I disconnected the cat. So we're gonna see what we could do about that, and then get the new guide installed. Little update, that shit was harder than me when I see a fucking super, guys. So all that shit is the stuff that was in there. There's these weird little like metal wool things in there that made it really hard to do anything. But if I get the light and show you in there, it's actually pretty clean. It came out super easy. Oh, you can't really see. But yeah, so there's nothing left in there. So the gunting went good. Now we just gotta clean up this whole mess. What I found easiest is I tried to do it with a flathead and a hammer. But if you have something thicker, like this crowbar, just put this end in it, start hammering down, and then with the leverage it really made it super easy. I didn't expect it to come out this clean, but I was determined to not get any rattling or anything, so yeah, you can see straight through it. So yeah, let's get that back on there and install the new exhaust. Oh, after a long time, trial and defeat. Trial and error. I mean, we finally got our exhaust on. Placement is a little trash right now, but we'll fix that later. You can see straight piped all the way back to the cab. Now to get a sound.